Hello, a very warm welcome to demo of Zextra. So in this demo video, we'll talk about the functionality and features of Zextra. So how Zextra works and how Zextra can actually help you to create your digital marketplace in just few easy clicks and in just few seconds, right? So okay, let me just show you. This is the dashboard of Zextra where you can land after login, and the all stats and all the figures will be zero because this is the fresh account of Zextra of yours. And if you click on this add new product button, you will find a list of products which is actually coming from the Zextra library. This is not an ordinary library of Zextra. This is an amazing mintware products library which are actually coming as a white label products on Zextra. So we have Everzippy, which is a white label evergreen webinar platform. We launched this product on JVZoo and generated more than $240,000 in the revenue. This is the normal like a very unique page builder which is actually being used in our flagship very own proprietary product Xfunnels. And this is the new builder, very recent developed builder we have actually made for Xfunnels Reloaded, and the same product actually is going to be used inside the Xfunnels Reloaded. Xfunnels is one of the very premium products of Mintware suite. Actually that product we have revamped Xfunnels 4-5 times already, and this is the 5th version of Xfunnels which is actually coming coming up with the Zextra, and it has a lot of amazing features and functionality inbuilt. So it is coming up as a white label product with Zextra, so you can actually sell it as your own product with your own branding and on your own custom domain. Okay, Vidmock is a video product, AppZap is a app building product, Cloak URL is it's a very unique and you can cloak your URL using this product. HQ Webinar Reloaded is very amazing product to host live webinars. Actually, I always use HQ Webinar Reloaded to make to host our webinars. So this is an amazing product. It has a lot of amazing functionalities, and you can host webinars with like thousands of people using thousands of attendees, and it works pretty neat. It records webinars. It actually provides you functionality to share your screen. You can share your PPT presentation. You can share your whiteboard, and it is very intuitive, and you can actually collaborate. You can host your mastermind sessions or webinars in a very collaborative manner. So HQ Webinar Reloaded is a very premium product which is coming with Zextra as a white label. Firelist is an amazing autoresponder, so you can actually send bulk emailing using Firelist. It is coming as a white label product. Xfunnels Reloaded I already explained. CodeZippy white label is actually a very intuitive and very vast course building platform where you can actually start selling your course like you do on Kajabi or Teachable, and it is coming as a white label product. We launched CodeZippy earlier. It did over $400,000 in the revenue, and it is an amazing product. We have PopZap, Vidmails, and Zapdesk. All these products are very premium products, so you can start selling these products in just one click. If you click on add to dashboard, your whole shop will be ready. But if you want to start with your own custom products, like you want to start your membership site, you want to start your service website or downloadable products, you want to start your software as a service product, you can actually do that in just few clicks. You can start selling. Okay, so we'll start with let's say Xfunnels Reloaded, right? We'll start selling it. So we'll click on add to dashboard button. Once it is done, we can go back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, we will see the product which is like Xfunnels Reloaded with white label, and now we can access the product, or we can access the seller dashboard. So on the seller dashboard, we will see the huge list of features, like you can configure your domain, you can configure your product. This is the actually URL of your product. So if you click on this, if you open this URL, you will see the the sales page of the product which is already set up for this product. So I'm going to open this now. So this page has been opened, as you can see now, and on this page we have the logo of Xmas, we have the pricing link, blog link, support link, sign in link and sign up link. Now we have the header. If you click on the pricing, you will be redirected to the pricing table. So we have monthly pricing, we have yearly pricing, and everything on this page is customizable, like feature list, the steps, how it works, the testimonials, the pricing, the FAQs, and you can add your custom blocks. So first of all, we need to click on setup homepage, and here on this page we have the add custom HTML option, or we can hide and show any menu. Okay, so let's say if we want to hide this top navigation bar, we can click on show menu and click on submit. And if we refresh this page here, you see the top bar has been hidden. Now you can actually just show it again, and you can just hide this block and click on save. If you come back again and refresh this page, you see the block has been hidden. Now bar is activated, so you can hide and show any content on the sales page. Plus, if you want to add your custom HTML, so you click on add custom HTML. And if you don't know how to write HTML, no worries, we have get blocks option here. So inside this we have created amazing blocks like this. You can click on any block. If you want to just use this block, you can click on this block. You can check its responsiveness on tablet and on phone, and click on if you want to just see other blocks in the darker color, you click on dark. It will actually turn them on in a darker mode. And if you want to have the lighter theme, you can click on this, and now it will be lighter. So if we want to go with this, or we want to go with some other blocks in the in this section, let's say let's go with this block. So this is going to look like this on iPad and on phone, and we click on copy to clipboard, and we just paste the code here and click on submit. Now when we come back to the main page here and refresh this page, it is changed now. You see it has a different links, different design altogether. Now you can actually change the content on this like block if you want, including image and the button link and everything. But if you want to go with the the last design which we just created, you just need to turn this add custom HTML off and show menu on and submit, and it will be changed. So that's how you can customize the whole page in just few easy clicks. Okay, and after customization of this page, you can add custom pages if you want. You can have your custom pages like contact us. We can have the contact us page here, and we can click on get blocks, and if we'll just scroll it down a bit, we'll find the list link of contact blocks. So we can have the contact block, and I'm going to copy this block here, and I'll just paste it here. I can add meta description if I want. I'll just submit, and now our page has been created, contact us. I go back to the manage navigation section here. I'll click on new menu, and I'll just create a menu with the label of contact us. It can be a static URL, dynamic URL. Dynamic means like you can choose a link from your pages or posts which you have created. If you want to have a static URL like https:// your page URL or your affiliate URL or google.com, it will be redirected to that. So we'll have just dynamic URL. It should be opened in the same window, or you can open it a new window. We can have the icon if you want, and then we will just show it to the guest user header menu. We have option to authenticated user menu. It means we can have the two links. So So users who will log into your membership site should will have other links to show them, and the guest user will see other links. So you can separate the both of the links as per their logged in or as a guest. So now contact us is here. If you click on contact us, you see our page is ready. Now we can create multiple pages like this, as well as we can have the blogs. So if you click on blog, right now it is empty. You can come here, you can click on manage posts, and let's create a post here where we can get a blog content from, let's say, Sprout Social. I'll just take the content from here, and the content benchmark report, we'll just go with this, the 2021 content benchmark report. I'll create this title. The slug will be created automatically here. It is a very identical to the WordPress design interface, so you don't have any trouble using this whole post creator. We'll just save it, and I'll copy the content of this post now. So let's copy this post from here, and we come back and we'll just paste it here. Okay, now we can choose the post image from here. Okay, right now there's just a SVG file. We need to have the image PNG file, so we can have the other image as a banner image. Let's say let me just take another image. I'll go with this image, right? So we'll just take this image here, and I'll click on submit. So now one post has been created, and when we come to the blog page, refresh, see the post has been created, written by Madhav Datta on November 22nd. When you click on this, you see the post has been created, the blog post, and that's how you create multiple blogs for your different products altogether. Okay, that's how you manage your posts. You can manage your users and their plans, and you can manage the coupons, discount coupons. So let's say if we have already created a couple of plans here, which comes by default. But if you want to edit this, you can edit it. We have the option to describe the features and the excluded feature option. You can connect your Stripe account. You can connect your PayPal account. You can choose is it a monthly, yearly, or one-time payment plan. You can choose the currency, price, trial days, start for free. It's a text. You can change it like get instant access. You can click on update, and when you come back to the pricing page, you will see this page has been changed, the get instant access now, and it has all the features and excluded features list. And if you click on get instant access from here, you'll be redirected to the checkout page. Right now we have connected our Stripe account only, so we have Stripe here, but if we'll connect our PayPal account, it will show the PayPal and Stripe both. Okay, we can try with the card number, like I can try with my test card number. I can provide my name, like my email. Okay, and I can have the coupon code for this product. So I'll go back to the manage coupon. I'll try 10, let's say 2 off, 2 $2 discount on first payment. Okay, we can choose plans from here, so we can apply it on light or pro, right? Or we can choose multiple plans here. Is it a fixed or percentage? It's a fixed, and we can allow $2 discount coupon, and coupon code is 2 off. And when we click on submit, the coupon code will be created. See, it has been created here. Now we come back to this, we'll just apply 2 off. It will process and it will execute the discount. You see, discount coupon has been applied, and now our product total is 9.8, and 18% GST tax is actually applied because I'm just purchasing it from my location, like which is India right now. So we have the tax management option here. If you click on your list here and click on the my settings, you can see your profile setting, your security settings, API keys. You can see the Stripe account integration. You can see your SMTP custom SMTP integration. You can see your taxes. So inside the tax management, we have the list of all the countries and locations. Like for the United States, let's say we have almost 50 entries. For the US, for every state, like Georgia, it is 4% tax. For the Kansas, it is 6.3%. For the Louisiana, it's 4%. For Maryland, it's 6%. So you can actually edit this if you want to edit, but this is the default content. And actually we got this content from the site of Intuit. So it is a very predefined and pre-approved verified content, verified values actually for the tax for every state and country. But if you want to change it, you can edit this for your own locations. Okay, so the same tax will be applied for the particular user. Okay, like now my coupon has been applied, my tax has been applied. I'll click on proceed, and once it will be processed, I should be redirected to the thank you page, and I will receive an email to the login for Xfunnels Reloaded White Label. You see, it has been done. Now if you go back to the your account and my report section, under the reports you can actually figure it out. This user purchased this product for this price. It is a paid amount. You click on invoice, you will have a the complete taxed invoice, which can be printed or downloaded, or you can actually send this invoice as a PDF format to the user if you want manually. But auto invoicing is already there, so whenever somebody will purchase, should be received this invoice automatically on the email. And you go back to the dashboard here, you will see the list has been, the sale has been increased. It was 13 earlier, now it's 14 because we have sold one license. And Xfunnels Reloaded White Label, actually if you want to change anything in this, you can just click on the Access Seller dashboard and you can change or you can edit anything on this. This is the notification area, and there are a couple of new things which we have added like inside the My Settings option. So if you click on My Settings, you will see the taxes is here, the PayPal account, the API keys. You can actually generate the API key for your own API use. You can connect Zextra with thousands of other apps using this API key. And you click on the documentation, you will see the complete detailed documentation for each and every feature we have created, like configure your first product, like how to add a product, how to set up a white label from library, and configure and sell your products, and everything in detail, step-by-step guide for everything. And it is available, it is accessible from every page. So if you are looking for a solution where you can actually create your membership sites, if you want to create your own downloadable products or lead magnets, you can actually use Zextra for all of it, right? Like you can create your membership site by just in just few easy clicks. Like I have already created one website, like let's say Mad membership site. So click on add to dashboard, and that's it. Now we are done. Membership site has been added to my account. You see membership site, you click on Access Seller dashboard. Now you can manage its dashboard from this page. Right now, if somebody will subscribe for this website, actually will receive an email. I'll just try with the 10minuteemail.net. This is the website we used for testing purpose to just generate an email for 10 minutes to test. So I'll just go to the website of this. Here we go, and I'm already logged in, so I'll just sign out from this website. You see, this is the membership site. I can click on sign up, and I can go with the monthly subscription plan, which is let's say $10. And every plan can have a different features and functionalities, and you can create these features and functionalities plans for your own users. So let's say I'm going to use this email address and I'm going to use this process. Once it is done, we should receive one email on our 10-minute email account here. Okay, when it is done now, we should receive an email here. We will receive email here anytime. And after logging, you see, this is my older account. If I click on sign in, I'll be redirected to the dashboard of this website, which we have created, the membership site, and it has a list of products which is available inside my membership site, and I can access these products from here. Click on access product. So it is available. If you want to change the content, the available content, you can easily just go back to your membership site and click on manage plans. And inside the manage plans, when you come here and you click on edit light, and you can assign the products from here like Everzippy and Xfunnels Reloaded, nothing else. You click on update and that's it. When you come back to this site and you just refresh, now we have Everzippy and Xfunnels. So you can actually assign the products as per your licenses and plans for your membership users, so they can log in and they can access of your all new products automatically without doing anything. You can just manage everything from one dashboard, like all your membership sites, all your downloadable products, your lead magnets, your software as a service, your pages, your blogs, your custom pages, your navigation, and everything, even your payment gateways. So you can manage everything from the single dashboard. Okay, it works like magic, like it's very easy to use, it's very convenient. We have created each and every tutorial for like video tutorial. If you just go to the Zextra.com/tutorials, you will see the list of video tutorials here, like how to manage profile, Stripe integration, API key, set up white label, configure to downloadable, everything. All the video tutorials are here. You can manage everything here. Okay. I think I don't want to take much time here. We have created all the tutorial videos on the tutorial page, so you can go through them. And if you have any suggestion, any question, you can always share your thoughts with support.zextra.com, and we will reply you to you as soon as possible. And we have the live chat option for our users, so if you have any doubt or query, you can actually contact our support team on live chat. Okay, I think this is enough. I will just sign off, and thank you so much. Thanks for your time.